You are going to love the 2026 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, power brakes, traction control. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.